To begin, the operator applies automatically diluted cleaning solution to fixtures and floors in a low-pressure fan spray. As the liquid cleaning solution dwells, it loosens and lifts soils in preparation for vacuum extraction. In addition, the fluid brings residual dehydrated soils, such as dried urine, into liquid solution. If necessary, the operator can manually brush problem spots to further loosen soils. Next, the operator pressure rinses the target surfaces with fresh water, power rinsing hard-to-reach areas such as seat hinges, behind toilets, and so on, carrying contaminants to the floor in a current of water. The power of the indoor pressure washer is ideal for attacking accumulated matter without harming surfaces or personnel. Then, the operator suctions all liquids and contaminants from the floor with the built-in wet vacuum. This high-flow fluid extraction process creates a liquid current that transports the unwanted matter into a recovery tank where it's contained and quarantined. The vacuum also leaves the floor clean and dry and ready for use.